Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Soon Realme is going to launch Realme A1 in direct response to Redmi 7A and will offer almost similar specs and targeting the lower budget segment. But the main difference is the Realme A1 will come under Android One branding with close to stock Android, while the Redmi A series have always had the MIUI skin. So without waiting anymore, let's get to the complete spec sheet, its expected price and when it will launch in India. So starting with the design of Realme A1, it's going to feature a polycarbonate body with gradient design and a dual camera setup on the back along with a physical fingerprint sensor. Being a budget handset, the Realme A1 features an IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720x1520 pixels. The panel measures 6.2 inches diagonally and also features a tiny water drop notch at the top. About its processor, the Realme A1 is powered by MediaTek's powerful Helio p70 chipset that is based on a 12nm manufacturing process. For the graphics, there is a Mali G72 MP3 GPU which helps in gaming. The handset comes in multiple versions and RAM options, with the base version featuring 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage and another variant having 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. The phone also gets a dedicated microSD card slot for additional memory. Along with that, it will support Android Pie with stable Android updates with no more Color OS. So if you want a phone from Realme that doesn't feature Color OS, then this could be the one. In terms of optics, the Realme A1 sports a 13MP primary camera, which is paired with a depth sensing 2MP lens. The dual lens comes with extra features that helps in capturing detailed pictures. The front-facing camera of 8MP can capture bright and clear selfies. Although there is not much information on front-facing camera, so it can be changed later on. As for battery, the Realme A1 gets a large 4200 mAh battery that is more than capable of powering the handset through more than 1 day of relatively heavy usage. Here you will get micro USB and 3.5mm headphone jack. About its pricing, the base model will be priced lower than 8,000 rupees. So you can get a notch display with Android One and a processor which is capable of handling the daily tasks with gaming as well. About its launch date, the leaks and rumors suggest it's going to launch this month and most probably with the launch of Realme X. So guys, let's see what new leaks appear, so subscribe and I will let you know when there are some latest leaks. With that being said, we are at the end of this video. Hope to see you next time. Peace out.